Hello guys, this is Suresh from SDET Automation channel. Today we will discuss about one of the experience-based interview question. From which version onwards WebDriver Manager support started in the Selenium? So this is one of the important question. You have to know this answer. The answer is 4.6.0, and from this version onwards, the WebDriver Manager is included in the Selenium WebDriver package. So you don't need to create separate build path or a Maven dependency to support a WebDriver Manager. It is supported in all languages: Python, Java, Ruby, JavaScript, .NET. So all this you can use from the 4.6.0, and this will give an advantage where you don't need to create a system set property and download the WebDriver exe file and store somewhere in the location and point that. So all this will be sorted out with this one WebDriver Manager, where you can give only WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver, new Firefox driver. Automatically the driver will be invoked and the automation will be executed on top of that browsers. So this is the version which is started is 4.6.0. Thank you.